Guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper of Saturday, December the 12th, 2020. Yes, the second Sudoku is a 4-star Sudoku I will solve. There are more Sudokus in this additional, total of 8. I will post of them, the links with the PDF links, so you can download them and solve them by yourself. But I will only do 4 of them. Yeah, and the second one I will do is a 4-star Sudoku, and this will be number 2006. Alright, 2006, and I have already counted the printed digits. This one has also 25 publisher. What is happened with 24? So we have double 25. So is this really a 4 stars or a 3 stars? Usually the 24 has 24 printed digits, but this one has 25. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. 826. Alright. We have a 4 in the last row, a 4 in the row above, so in that row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here. Oh, there we see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And I cannot count, well, no, I cannot continue with the 4. Let me use another number. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1, 3, and 8. No. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the middle a row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see there 3, no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 3 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So in the row between, only 2 places for the 3. Could be here, could be there. Here 3 or there 3. Alright. 6. And now. Yes. In this big square, three missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 there, so the 7 could be here, could be there. So in the last column, we have a 7 in one of those two boxes. The column next, we have a 7 here. So in that column, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. All right. 5 and the 2. All right. And now. Let me see. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So on the third row, the only place for an 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square, the center big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in those two boxes. One box left for the 8 should be here. And I've eliminated the 3. So the 3 goes there. One box left in this big square for the number 1. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be a 3, and all the 3's are used. I can see, yes, digit number 1, all right. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the middle column, the only place for 1 should be there. One box left in the middle column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. Yes, we have the 6. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5, we see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 boxes left in the second row for the numbers 7 and 9. 7 and 9, we see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and 7 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 2. 5 and 2, I cannot fill this yet. Oh, well, we have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 2 goes there. 1, 5, 6. All right. 7, 4. 2, 7, 4, 2. No. All right, and now 6, 6, 6, 6. Interesting. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. All right. 1, 8. Yeah, 8. Here should be the 8. Let me fill some numbers. We have a pair, 7 and a 5 in this row, 7 and a 5 in the row below. So in the last row, only 2 places for the 7 and 5. Should be here or should be there. All right, 7 and a 5. 9, 8. 2 numbers left in this column. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 2 and a 9. 2 and a 9. Let me mark those. 2 and a 9. So the other pair should be the 8 and the 6. 8 and a 6. 8 and the 6. All right. 8 and 6. 2 and the 9. All right. 7 and a 5. 7 and a 5. 6, 6. 6, 6. Yes. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 in those two boxes. So the 6 could be here or could be there. So we have a 6 in one of those two boxes. In the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 99, yes. 4 missing numbers. One of them, no, yeah. In this column, 2 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 2 and the 9. 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9. In this column, 2 and the 9. We have a 2 and a 9 as a pair. 2 and the 9. We see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 9 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be 2 anymore. This should be a 2 and this should be a 9. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9. No 9 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. Then 6, 1, and 8. All right. 8, 8. 1, 2. Yes, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square. The 8 and the 1. 8 and the 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 9. 1 and 9. Let me mark those for you. 1 and 9. How about these 2 numbers in this row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8. 7 and the 8. All right, let me mark those again for you. 8 and 6. These 2 numbers in this row, the 8 is missing and the 1 is missing. 8 and the 1. 8 and the 1. And look, we have an 8 here. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this can't be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1. And this should be a 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, all right. 2 numbers left. In this big square, we have here the 7 and the 5. The other 2 numbers should be the 8 and the 2. 8 and the 2, we see an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Now we have an 8 here. So this can't be 8 anymore. This should be the 8 and this should be a 7. Now we have an 8 here. So this can't be 8 anymore. This should be the 8 and this should be a 6. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 3. Alright, 2 numbers left. The 6 and the 1. We have a 6 here. No 6 there. 6 should be here. The 1 goes there. Then how about the 1 in this column, 1 in the second column? So the third column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first row. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 5 goes there. 6 in this column, first column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for a 6 should be there. One box left in the third column. This box should be a 2. Yes, 2 is missing. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square. For the numbers 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 7 and the 5. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes, quicker than the previous Sudoku. So how about those 4 stars? It should be 2 stars. Anyway, I like this one, Sudoku, yes. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button or bell icon, girls, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel in the future. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you soon with the last 2 Sudokus in this additional. It will be a tectonic and a binary 1. Until then, see you soon. Bye bye for now.